Magic 89.9.
You're listening to the home stretch on today's best music. We're Magic 89.9, and we have a special guest for you guys. Second time around on the home stretch, we have Jan Roberts. Hello.
Hi, hello.
Whoa. Okay. Hello. Hi, kamusta ka na?
Okay naman. Happy naman.
Oo nga may effect pa. Direct, baka naman. Onting tanggal ng reverb.
Chill.
Mamaya pa yan. Oo. Congratulations on your new song with a
Thank you,
collaboration. Also, the song Kung Masusunod. How did you write the song? How did it come about? Especially the collaboration.
So start tayo sa kung paano ko ba siya binuo. The reason na gusto ko lang makagawa ng song na sobrang wholesome at gusto ko ma-feel ng tao na magaan yung lahat. And pagdating naman sa process kung paano ko nakalapit sa collaboration song with Sir John Danao, because of my manager, dahil mag-friend sila at ako naman ay fan ng isang Sir John Danao at influence ko yung music niya. Yan. So kung ano yung music niya, yun din yung ginagawa ko ngayon because of him. Yan.
Oh,
So, sobrang-
sa bagay, when I listen to the song, parang magkalapit nga yun the way. Pati yung punto ng pagkanta.
Yep.
Parehas kayo ng And you said you wanted this song to feel like yung mararamdaman ng nakikinig na masaya naman pala magmahal. Diba? Anong inspiration for that one? Where did you get the inspiration na masaya nga pala magmahal?
Ayun, besides siguro sa lahat ng mga kinakaharap natin ngayon. And metaphor siya na if I own the world, I can give it to you. Parang ganun siya na parang sana hindi mo mararanasang mahirapan ngayon. Sana hindi mo maranasan na kakaproblema ka sa ganito ganyan. At ano ba? Ayun, isa rin sa inspiration ng song na ito is yung mismong track ni Sir John Danao, which is yung Right Time featuring Clara Benin. So
Uy,
kaya
sakto.
Yeah.
May album review ako ni Clara Benin mamaya.
Wow.
Yeah. Puro feel-good songs nga eh.
Yeah. Yun yung concept behind the song Kung Masusunod. At sobrang saya namin nung ginagawa namin to. Kasi nung nag-shoot kami nito around Manila, lahat parang guerrilla lang. Tapos kahit tirik yung araw, parang game kami. Kasi gusto namin yung song. At may labas siya kagad. And happy kami na okay naman kahit pa paano yung, kung paano tanggapin ng tao yung song. Nagustuhan nila yun. Yeah.
It is also kind of your signature sound, very acoustic, very feel good, and you have a way of making music na parang even if you think like a rainy day in the car driving should feel sad, your music makes it feel lighter. Like the lyrics are very light, right? So binanggit mo yung music video nyo. May tanong ako. I have observed, sinulat ko to sa lahat ng music video mo, madalas, parang puwera sa 3, lagi kang bumabiyahe.
Yeah.
Sa Kung Masusunod, nasa barko. Nasa kotse ka, sa Hirap Makalimutan, jeep and LRT for you belt. Aside from 3 other songs, you are always traveling, always in motion. What is the reason behind that?
Ayun. Hindi talaga siya namin, hindi siya intent dahil yung U-Belt, jeep at tren, iba rin yung director. Tsaka sa mga gumagawa ng una. Pero dahil na pag-connect namin, nagme-make sense siya na yung para sa masa rin kasi siya. Kumbaga, nag-commute tayo, ito yung totoong buhay. At pagdating the way kung paano ko magsulat ng song ay narrative and storytelling. So kung ano yung nakikita nila doon, yun din yung talagang dapat maramdaman nila sa song na yun. The reason why. At saka syempre, kumbaga yun ako yun yung mga ginagawa ko dati pa na bilang estudyante, bilang nagmamahal na tao, bilang mamamayan na lagi tayo nasa publikong lugar para bumiyahe, pumuntang paaralan o gumala. Kaya naisip namin na ba't di natin gawing straightforward na may paabot natin yung ganito-gantong bagay para mas madali rin para sa tao maintindihan nila.
Tama. Para relatable
Yes.
din yung music video and the songs as well. Nakakaaliw kasi parang the first few music videos were at home, diba? It was you in your room and then the storytelling around a couple, and then now you're journeying through the city. I feel like I'm excited to see kung saan ka mapapadpad. Like, where is the destination for this? Because it feels like it's you finding yourself, finding your sound as well, and finally getting to work with people na sobrang mataas din yung tingin mo
Mismo.
sa kanila for inspiration for their music. And you did say that this song is not a breakup song, not a love song, but it's a song that makes you feel held. So what does that mean for you?
Ano ba? Ayun, dahil nga sa sobrang hirap din ng mga pinagdadaanan natin ngayon sa buhay. Minsan nagiging hard na tayong lahat sa isa't isa. Parang tingin natin, ano ba? Parang isa-summarize natin na it's just a bad day, not a bad life. Parang ganun siya. Na hindi naman sa lahat ng oras yan yung pagdadaanan mo. Not unless hindi mo talaga siya, ano ba? Hindi mo rin gagalawan or hindi mo rin i-help yung sarili mo para maging maayos.
Hindi ka uusan.
Diba?
Tama nga
Diba?
naman.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate it because the way you describe the song, it's not a breakup song, not a love song. It's a song that makes you feel held. Your relationship with your fans are also very much so, parang karamay ka nila sa lahat.
Yes.
Diba? First time we met was at Usad Night, a fan night for your fans. And mga payapa. Yun, that's what you call them.
Yeah.
And it's very, they really hold on to your music with such value. Diba? Kasi you sing about things that they've experienced and they may not need some of your songs just yet, but they know that at the end of the day, your music is there with them. All right, so let's give the fans what they want. This one's Jan Roberts with his newest song, Kung Masusunod. You're listening to the home stretch on today's Best Music. Your Magic 89.9. Today's Best Music, Magic 89.9. You're listening to the home stretch with me, Isabel. We have Jan Roberts in the studio. That was his newest song, Kung Masusunod. Now, before we end, I want to ask you, you sing about mundong makulay. Papakita sa'yo yung mundong makulay.
Yeah.
Ano yung, since ikaw naman lagi yung nagiging karamay ng mga fans mo and your song helps a lot of people, and every time you are here, not even kidding you, I tear up a little bit hearing you sing. Parang di naman malungkot yung kanta, pero nakakaiyak siya kasi like it makes me feel seen. These types of music and this type of song. I want to ask, what in your life makes you remember that life is easier and a brighter place than it actually seems to be?
Yeah. Ano ba?
Anong
Siguro papasaya sa akin. Siyempre, yung family ko ngayon. At okay naman ako ngayon. Okay naman ako with my friends. Okay din naman ako sa love life ko. Ano ba? Siguro, siyempre may mga times pa rin na stress, pagod, at all. Pero kailangan mong i-look back na kung bakit ako, the reason why I'm here, dahil gusto ko talaga yung ginagawa ko sa music. At ayun, gusto ko lang din maiparamdam sa tao yung mga bagay na hindi nila kayang masabi. Ayun, I think yun yung pinaka top of my head. Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Jan,
much.
for coming in again in the studio and sharing your wonderful songs and your voice for us on the home stretch. Now, let the people know where to find you, where to stream your music, and where to find you online.
Oh yeah. Hi, hello. I'm Jan Roberts, and you can follow me on Instagram _Jan Roberts, Spotify, Apple, YouTube. Just search Jan Roberts. It's JANROBRTS. Also, would like to plug our upcoming Kung Masusunod single, Gig Lunch with Jonoy Danao and Project Yaz at Sari Sari Bar Makati. And yeah, for more details, you can check my Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Do stream his music and request it on the show as well. Kung Masusunod out now, including the music video. Support the gigs and support original Filipino music as always. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yay! You're listening to the home stretch for today's Best Music, Magic 89.9.
The home stretch with Isabel.
Calling all NBA fans. The playoffs, conference finals, and finals on Disney Plus. Watch the NBA with a plus on Disney Plus. Get into the crazy and
Magic 89.9.